Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone is up to date and signed into your Apple ID so pairing credentials are ready. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, charge both devices to at least half and keep them very close. Restart the iPhone and the Apple Watch to clear transient issues. Now open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Hold the watch in view of the iPhone camera to align the animation. This initial alignment exchanges keys and begins a secure link. If the camera animation won't work, choose Pair Apple Watch manually and follow prompts to enter the code shown on the watch. This forces a direct key exchange. If the watch is unresponsive, force restart by holding the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds, then try again. For watches that were paired to another device, erase the watch in its settings to remove old pairings. Make sure to reset iPhone network settings or toggle airplane mode to clear Bluetooth and Wi-Fi conflict. After pairing succeeds, finish the setup by signing into your Apple ID when prompted, setting a passcode, choosing which wrist you wear it on, and selecting App and Notification Sync. These steps finalize secure features and permissions. Make sure you allow the initial backup restore to complete with both devices close together. That moves health and app data across. If everything else fails, remove the Apple Watch from your iCloud account or previously associated device. Then retry pairing. This is the most effective single troubleshooting step before
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.